How to hide Instagram following and followers list. To do this, first of all, open the Instagram apps on your device. Tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner to open your Instagram profile page. Tap the three horizontal line icon in the top right corner. Scroll down. Tap on account type and tools. Tap on account type. After that, type switch account type. Tap on switch to personal account. Tap on switch to personal account again. Just wait. Go back. From the menu, tap on account privacy. Now enable the private account options. Tap on it. Tap on switch to private. And that's it. If you like the video, subscribe and stay with us. Thank you.